Selina, class 9th, chapter 9, test yourself. Question number 5. Given AD perpendicular to BC. So ADB angle is 90 degree and ADC angle is 90 degree. And EF perpendicular to AB. So EFB angle is 90 degree, EFA is 90 degree. Now, and given AB equal to AC. This is AB equal to AC given. To prove BD equal to CD and ED equal to EF. Now, this is AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC given. So, if two sides of a triangle equal, then opposite angle also equal. So, opposite angle of AB side is this one and opposite angle of AC side is this one. Hold this one. This is your ABC. ABC angle equal to ACB angle. To prove BD equal to CD. Now BD, this is your BD. BD comes in the triangle ABD and CD comes in the triangle ACD. So take ABD triangle and ACD triangle. That is your ABD triangle, and in ACD triangle, what is similar, what is equal? This is your AB equal to AC given and ADB angle equal to ADC angle given, that is 90 degree, and this is one side equal and one angle, that is 90 degree equal, and AD is common for both the triangle. AD is common. So one angle is 90 degree and hypotenuse are equal and one side equal. So this is your RHS, that is right angle hypotenuse side. So ABD congruent to ACD. You have to take ABD because BD equal ABD because this B angle and C angle equal and AB equal to AC. So ABD equal to ACD. ABD triangle congruent to ACD. Now, how BD equal to CD? This is your this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. So third angle also equal. Third angle means this one and this one. So opposite sides of this angle is BD and opposite side of this angle is CD. So corresponding side also equal. BD equal to CD. This is corresponding part of congruent triangle are congruent. So BD equal to CD. In another way, we can prove the congruency angle side. How? See, this is your AB equal to AC given. So opposite angle also equal. So this is your ABC angle equal to ACB angle. This whole angle equal. Now in triangle, you have to prove BD equal to CD. So take the triangle BDA and CDA. In triangle BDA and CDA, these two angles are equal. That is your BDA angle equal to BDA angle equal to your CDA angle. This angle equal. Then this angle also equal. This is ABD angle equal to your ACD angle equal to ACD angle. This is why, because AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC is opposite angle equal. Now this is AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC given. So this is your angle side. Angle side equal. So BDA triangle congruent to CDA triangle. This is criteria is your angle side. Angle side is your criteria. This is congruent BDA triangle congruent to CDA triangle. So AB equal to AC and AD is common. So your third side also common equal. This is BD equal to CD. Corresponding side is also equal. These two sides equal, then third side is also equal. So write BD equal to CD. This is known as CPCTC. Corresponding part of congruent triangle are congruent. BD equal to CD proved. The EF. To prove ED equal to EF, you have to take these two triangle. So to prove ED equal to EF, you have to take the triangle EDB and for EF, EFB. So take triangle EDB and EFB. In triangle EDB and triangle EFB, what is similar, what is equal? This angle and this angle equal, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. And this angle and this angle equal, it is given, this angle equal, given. And your this angle and EB is your common. So angle side. In angle side, these two triangles are congruent. So in triangle EDB, this is your in triangle EDB and EFB, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is EDB angle equal to EFB angle, that is 90 degree, and EBD angle equal to FBE angle, that is EBF or FBA, E same. This is given. So these two angle equal, it is given. Now BE equal to BE. In this triangle BE comes and in this triangle also BE comes. So BE equal to BE common. So angle side criteria, EDB triangle congruent to EFB triangle. Now how can you prove ED equal to EF? This is your ED and this is EF. This is your EB is your, these two angles are equal, so opposite side also equal, corresponding side also equal. So opposite side is your EF and this opposite side is your ED. So ED equal to EF, ED equal to EF. This is CPCTC. Corresponding part of congruent triangle are congruent. It is proved.